What is up, guys and gals? This is Brandoncoin back, and it is it's August 23rd, 2019 already. And I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about finding the right graphics card. If you're already in the market and you know what's going on in the crypto mining space, this video is probably not for you. But lately, we've got a lot of influx of new miners coming in. They're like, what do I mine with? I don't know what makes money. I don't know what's good, what's bad. And there's some really good tools. One of my favorite is whattomine.com. I'm actually on here right now. And literally, it's got a bunch of graphics cards up here. You can just pick one of them. So, for example, a 1080. You pick one of those, and then you have these turned on. I think I left those turned off for a reason. I don't remember. So you have one in there. Then you click Calculate, and that simulates you having one 1080, GTX 1080, mining. And then if you scroll down, it'll show you what's the most profitable and how much you can potentially make on it. So right now, Beam V2 on nicehash making 74 cents a day. Looks like it's the most profitable. And then regular Beam, Cinovate, Ravencoin, and so on down the list. Zcoin makes 58 cents a day. And this top number is before electric. The bottom number is after electric. And you can put your electric cost in right here. So mine is 0.1 per kilowatt hour, so that's 10 cents per kilowatt hour. That's pretty average unless you live like somewhere overseas. I think in Europe, like it's around 20 cents or more, and then some places in Africa, I know it's a lot less. So just fill in your kilowatt hour, and then you'll know what you're working with. So with that being said, people are always like, what do I get, 1660s or 1660 Ti's? I literally am hearing that question almost on a daily basis now. So look, I just put one in for 1660. Make sure it's green. Make sure none of these other ones are clicked. Click Calculate. And then that shows me right now a 1660, the best possible situation, is making 53 cents a day on Zcoin. Now, is this a perfect system? No. Obviously, this doesn't figure out everything because you may be able to overclock your card and get a little bit more. But this gives you a really good idea. I'd say this gives you about 90% of what you should actually be getting. So now let's check out this 1660 Ti, and you're making 51 cents a day. And people are like losing their mind. Why is a 1660 Ti less efficient? And I think that's one of those scenarios where it's not exactly less efficient. It's just there's not enough of a difference right now. On algorithms that can utilize that GDDR6 memory that's on the Ti better than the GDDR5 on the non-Ti, I think we'll see improvements. Like, for example, if you look over here, these are all algorithms, and if you look at, well, ETH-hash, you're getting 25.7 on a Ti, and you're getting 20 on a non-Ti. So that's utilizing that memory a little bit better. You can go back and check some of the older cards, like a 570. You plug that bad boy in, hit Calculate, then go down here and nicehash, ETH-hash, making 45 cents a day before electric. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can look and see anything at any time because it updates on a daily basis or maybe hourly. I don't know exactly how it is, but so you don't have to come in and be like, oh my God, what's better, 2 1660s or 1 2060? Literally had this question today, so you can just type it in, 2 1660s, calculate. That would be making you $1.07 a day, and then now let's go 1 2060. Be making 63 cents a day. So $1.07, 63 cents. I know what makes more sense there. Obviously, $1. We holla for $1. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to get this quick video out to let some people know because we have a bunch of new people coming in, and some of my older videos aren't getting recommended and pushed up. And I'm sorry about that. It's just that's the way that YouTube algorithm works. And I'm also sorry about the mic and video quality. My streaming PC's back there with my cameras and stuff. But if you can see, my dog's cages are right here. We have some family coming over, and they're going to be in town, so I had to move the dog crates in here, and they're going to be sleeping in here while the family's over. So just to, so they don't bother anybody. Not that Jenny bothers anybody. She just wants to give everybody kisses, and you know how that is when a dog goes and licks people. Not everybody loves it. But anyway, guys, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for being a part of everything. And if you want some more information, if you're still confused about anything, please jump over to the Discord. I'll have a link down below in the description, and we can help you out with anything else that's going on. So, yeah. Boom. Adios. See you next time. Peace.